Welcome to another camera channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to fix your Micolive Blimp from DigitalFoto. This is going to be a very quick and a very niche video for any Micolive Blimp owners like myself. If you have one of these, you may have broken one of the shock mounts here. I actually broke one of my shock mounts when I put my Micolive Blimp in a bag without its windshield cover on, and it ended up getting caught on something or it got crushed. I'm not actually sure how, but it was very careless of me and it broke here. And this is like impossible to fix. So I contacted DigitalFoto and they sent me a link to a product which you're gonna need to get. First, go to the link in the description. It will be an AliExpress link. I don't know if you guys think AliExpress is dodgy or not, but my products came. Sometimes they come slow, sometimes they come fast, but they will arrive. You're gonna order one of these things right here, and when it comes, you're gonna get this box. And inside the box, we have 2 shock mounts on this metal bracket here, and you're gonna get a tool, which is exactly the same tool that you get with your Micolive Blimp. It's very, very simple to do. You're gonna get your tool and you're gonna put it into one of the screws of the shock mounts. You're gonna undo it. You take it off here. You're gonna take your broken one off and then replace it with a new one. And you're done. And you have a spare as well. I actually bought 3 of these at the same time just in case I ran into any problems. And you can also use this as another shock mount if you wanted to lose the handle or attach this onto a camera or something like that. And that is the end of the video. I hope it helped you. If it did, leave a comment and a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next one.